George, Stuart, breakfast. Get it while it's hot.
Say, Mama. Say, Dada. Say, anything? Morning, George. Where's Stuart?
He already left.
He did? Without eating breakfast?
He had to get to school early. Because he's in a school play.
Really?
Yes, he plays a mouse. And they rehearse every morning before school.
But why didn't he tell us?
He forgot. You know, being worried about Margot.
Right.
Well, good. This will keep his mind off it.
Yeah.
Gotta go.
Say, oatmeal?
Oh, boy. This is a sign, Stuart. Like the burning bush. Except it's a carburetor, and I'm not Moses. But it's telling us something. Let your people go.
We're not giving up.
Oh, why not? Giving up is fun. And look at all the time you save. I'm telling you, Stuart, if more people gave up, there'd be fewer wars.